Hi, I'm Bria, and welcome back to Let's Speak on It, and happy Friday. We are following up with a part 2 to our series of how to find a therapist. So the next part of this, we're going to talk about consultation. So consultation is a brief chat with prospective therapists to get a better understanding of what you need from them, and them getting to know you. So I like to talk about finding a therapist. I use the analogy, it's like dating. Sometimes you got to kiss a couple frogs so you meet the prince or the princess, or sometimes it's love at first sight. So don't be discouraged if the first person you select isn't your ideal dream therapist, right? So let's talk back to the consultation. When you get in the consultation, it's going to be, again, a brief 15 to 20 minutes. They may ask you a set of questions such as, what's been going on in the past 30 days that has you seeking therapy? They may ask you some background on if you've been having suicidal thoughts or homicidal thoughts, hearing voices or seeing things, and any self-harm, just to do a safety and wellness check. They also may ask you things about your previous therapy experiences and were they helpful, what didn't work, just to get a better idea of your history. They may ask questions about what insurance you have, if you're doing self-pay options, as well as what you may be looking for in a therapist. Now, on the reverse side, it is highly encouraged that you ask these therapists questions like, what kind of theoretical approach or what style of therapy do you do? How do you select good candidates to work with? What type of diagnoses do you work with? Do you believe in medication or not? Right? Do you have spiritual preferences or backgrounds? Are you open to a certain type of population? Things to make you feel comfortable in making this selection. The final piece of this, you also want to get to know a little more of the background of the therapist. So you can feel free to ask questions on more of their general background and how they may have gotten into the field. So this is a moment to really kind of speed date with your therapist in the most non-dating way, just using the analogy. But for you to get to know your therapist and to see if this is likely to be a good fit for the both of you. That's it, folks. We spoke on it. Tune in next time for a part 3 on what your first session could look like. Okay, bye.